My name is Tanvi, and this is the rock, paper, scissors app that I created with the MIT App Inventor site. This is the designer view, meaning this is how it'll look on the screen when you open it. So here is where it'll display your points, and this is an image, and it'll turn into the image of the the rock, paper, scissors symbol that's chosen. And so here you can click on the rock button, the paper button, or the scissors button to choose which one you want to present. The reset button is if you want to restart, and then the how to play will show how to play. And then there is also a notifier, which will notify the player how to if they won, if they lost, or if it's a tie. These are all the blocks. So when the game opens up, the computer will select a random number from 1 to 3, with 1 being rock, 2 being paper, and 3 being scissors. And the score will also start as a 0. This procedure will be called on whenever the player clicks on the paper button, the rock button, or the scissors button. It'll set the image that displays its choice to either of these three options: rock, paper, or scissors. And whenever the reset button is clicked, the computer choice will be reset again, and the picture will also be reset to hide the choice. So this is the code for deciding who the winner is, or if it's a tie. So, example, when the paper button is clicked, first it'll check if the image is the paper picture. If it is, then the notifier will notify that it's a tie. If it is scissors, the notifier will say that you lost, and your score will be decreased by 1. And if it's neither of those, meaning it's rock, then it'll tell you that you won, and it'll increase your score by 1. And then once this whole thing is done, the label showing the number of points you have will be set to show the difference. And the code is almost the same for if you click the rock button or the scissors button, except all the inputs are changed to match. Like instead of it's tie being for paper, it's with scissors and all that stuff. And that's how my rock, paper, scissors app works.